Hello guys, today I will show you how to create bulk users in Azure Active Directory. To create bulk user in Azure Active Directory, go to admin.microsoft.com and you can see the option. Click on add multiple user. Scroll down. You can see there is a checkbox mention I would like to upload a CSV file with user information. Click on that. It will give you two options to download the sample file. So the first one is just include the header information and the second one with the sample data as well. So I will download the second file. Just click and it will be downloaded. Let me open. We have to input the data in this file, the users which we want to create in bulk. So I will create 3 users, test1, test2, test3. Okay, in your case you can put as many as you want. After username you have to put your domain, like I am putting the test@mydomain.com. I inserted 3 users, then insert the first name, last name and display name. As an example, I am just writing test1, test2 and test3 as the first name, and second name we can keep like test. Display name you can keep anything, like you can keep only first name, or you can combine first name and last name and insert in display name. Title we can put like IT manager, IT supervisor and IT technician. Department we will keep the same, information technology. This time we don't need these numbers like office number and phone number. You can add it, but I will just, for the demonstration, I will just add the phone number field. Rest of the data I will remove because currently I don't need this information, but you can keep it. You can fill it properly and upload it as per your organization requirement. Now our file is ready. Now we need to upload the same file. Click on browse, go to the download, select the file. Before uploading, just open and verify the data whether you are selecting the right file or not. Select import. You can see there is an error. Click on view error to see the error. They are showing the row number 5 has the missing email address. As you know, we have only 3 email IDs, so we will remove the other fields. We will delete the other rows. Now let us try again. Click on browse, select the file. Okay. Now the file is accepted. Next, you can select the license which you want to assign to the user. In my case, I am just assigning Microsoft Office 365 Business Basic, as I have 13 users here. So just click next, just click add. In a moment it's completed. Now the users has been added. Newly created email ID and password you can send to your email ID, or you can download the file as well. Let me open the file and show you. These users has been created with the license Microsoft Business Basic with the temporary password. Password they have to change on first login. That's it for today's video. In next video I will show you how to delete bulk users from Active Directory.